Today I will talk about how can you enable receive notifications on your app. We'll go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just come here to receive notifications. Then you just click here in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here receive notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable this sign here. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.